Christina Minicucci, and today I'm going to teach Rachel Harper how to create a blog. We have Google Chrome pulled up, and we went to blogger.com. Okay? You're going to create a blog. You're going to sign in through your Gmail account. This will link your Gmail account to your Blogger account. Okay, sign up for Blogger. We have it appears your email address already and your name's already on there. So our display name is just going to be Rachel. Right. You have to accept the terms on the bottom and hit continue. Okay, now we're going to create your blog. Click create your blog now. Okay. The title of our blog, just for this training purpose, we're going to title it Training Blog. Okay, and you want to go to your blog address, and I want you to type in your last name, your first name, 2011, and click continue. This will check the availability. Okay, now you can choose your starter template. You can just pick one and you can adjust it later. Click it and hit continue. Alright, we're going to start blogging. We're going to create your first blog post. Click start blogging. Okay, title it first post. Okay, click down and just type a sentence, any sentence. I love the summer. Okay, click publish post, and now view your post, and it's going to take you to your blog, and that's your first post. And you can see where people can comment, and it shows you the time you did it, and it's posted by Rachel at 9:55 p.m. Okay, now you know how to actually create a blog. We're going to go up and we're going to hit new post. I want you to go up to design. We're going to change your template, the background. Go to your design. I want you to go to template designer. And you can change your background. You can adjust the width, the layout over here on the side. You can change your background. There's tons of backgrounds. You can just choose one. Okay, hit done. You can also, your layout of your blog, you can choose where you want. Okay. Now you can go up here and hit apply to blog. Now view your blog. And you can see your background was changed and the layout of your blog was changed. Now I'm going to show Rachel how to edit her profile. So go to your dashboard, go to design, go to your dashboard. Alright, I want you to edit your profile. Okay, scroll down. And this is where you can enter your birthday, put a little bit about yourself, and upload a photo. Just play around with that for a few seconds. And pick the location where you're from. After you select your country, I just want you to go to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Save Profile. and I want you to go back to View Updated Profile. Okay, Rachel has successfully created a blog, edited her profile, and changed her background.